So we're now in the first exercise-based section of our AutoCAD Professional Certification Prep course. And you'll notice that I've got Autodesk AutoCAD 2016 open. You can see the name of the product at the top in the title bar there. And you can see that I'm on the what they call the Start screen in AutoCAD 2016. Now you'll notice that we've got two little buttons at the bottom. We've got Learn and we've got Create. Now, if we want to create new files, we would use this Create button at the bottom of the screen. If I want to learn, you'll notice that there's also tools available to you that allow you to look at videos and so on as well. So what we're going to stick with is the Create button right here. Now, if I want to create a new blank AutoCAD drawing and work with it, I can go to this Get Started tool here. Now, you'll notice it says Start Drawing. So if I click on the down arrow right here like this, I can go and pick a particular AutoCAD template, a DWT file. And if I scroll down the little list here, you can see that there's a number of default template files available to me in AutoCAD 2016. So if I selected, for example, ACAD DWT there, that would give me a feet and inches drawing template. You can see the title of the template there when I hover over it. If I hover over ACAD ISO, that will give me a normal international metric drawing template that works in millimeters, for example. So that's how I would create a new blank AutoCAD DWG drawing file. So I can use that there. I can also just click on Start Drawing, and that will allow me to start drawing on a blank template that is unitless and is generic. So I can use that one as well. Now, if I want to open an existing file, I've got a number of ways that I can open up a file. I can go up to the application menu here and click on this little flyout here, and you can see there that I can go to previously opened drawings, or I can hover over Open here and I can open a drawing from the cloud if I'm using A360, or I can just open an existing drawing file that I may have saved. And you'll also notice I can create new files there as well. And if I click on New, that will take me to the folder or perhaps the Startup menu here as well, which allows me to go and find particular AutoCAD template files, DWT files. I'll just click on Cancel there now to close that down. So that's just using the Application menu. I can also create a new file from the Quick Application toolbar here, the QAT. So there's New again. That'll again allow me to create a new drawing using the Startup menu if you've got the Startup menu switched on. It's the Startup variable, STARTUP. Type that in, press Enter. It's a 1 or 0 to switch it on and off if you're used to using AutoCAD variables. I can just click on Open here. I can open an existing file, and that'll take me to a folder where there are some existing files to open. Now you'll notice we're in the Drawings folder. That's my Drawings folder located on my laptop. Now you'll notice there are two exercise files in there. When we're working with these particular exercise files, you'll notice that we have one that is, in this case, 2 basic drawing skills house.dwg. You'll also notice that we've got 2 basic drawing skills house complete.dwg. I'm going to use the complete.dwg file for the video. If you want to follow along with the video, you're going to look for the file without the word complete in it. So you would open this file here, but I would use this file here in the video to open up and work on for this particular video. So I'm going to select that file now, and I'm going to click on Open. Or what I could do, I could cancel and just select it from my recent documents here as well on the Start screen. So if I click there now, that will open up an existing AutoCAD DWG file. So let's say I've been working on this file and I want to publish some information on this particular drawing. Now normally what you would do is you'd go to one of your layout tabs here. I've got a D-size layout tab there, and you can see my drawings all set up nice and neatly in a title block. Now if I want to publish that, I can use the Output tab on the ribbon here. So there's the Output tab there, and you can see I've got Plot and Export Out to DWF and PDF. So I can go in there, I can plot, I can batch plot if I've got a number of drawings to plot. So if I click on Batch Plot there, that'll open up the publish dialog box, which is quite big, so I'll just drag that down a little bit. And you can see I can set up a sheet list, set up my sheets here, and we will look at this later as well. And I can publish by hitting the publish button, which if I bring it up here is just here at the bottom of the dialog box. So I can publish that way as well. I'll just click on cancel now, and it prompts me, do I want to save that list of sheets? Well, in this case, no, I don't, but I can save them as a DSD, a drawing sheet description file, so I don't have to keep going in and resetting this sheet name list here. So that's how I would publish there. If I want to publish from the application menu, for example, here, I can go down here now. I've got the option to publish to a 3D print service. I can archive, I can e-transmit, or I can email the drawing to somebody using my email client as well. You'll notice I've got print here as well on the application menu, where I can plot, I can batch plot, I can plot preview, I can view my plot and publish details, I can set my page setups, manage my plotters, and manage my plot styles. So there's lots of different ways of publishing your drawing in AutoCAD. I'll just click away there to lose the application menu. Now the other way of publishing is here, right here. So if I right click here, you'll notice on the shortcut menu on the layout tab, I've also got the option to plot right there as well. So if I now click on plot there, that'll open up the plot dialog box. If I've got a page setup, I can choose that, or I can import a page setup from another drawing if I need to as well. So there's lots of different ways of publishing your AutoCAD drawings as well. Now I've opened up this particular drawing in a way whereby I've just opened up an existing file. Now if I want to create a new file, there is a new feature available in AutoCAD, and it's the drawing tabs here. If I hover on that tab, you'll notice I can plot and publish here. Can you see? Plot and publish as well. So I can publish there too. I can click on the plus sign, new drawing, and that'll automatically bring in a new default drawing using a default template that I've got set up in my options as well. So there's the layout tab there, and if I pan it, you can see it looks subtly different to this particular one here in this tab here. So you can see that I can publish and create new drawings that way. So if I just close that drawing too now, because I don't actually need that one, save changes, no, I don't need them. So I'm back to my existing 2 basic drawing skills house complete drawing. Now you'll notice there's a little asterisk there. That's because I've made some changes. So the little asterisk is telling me that I will need to save this particular file at some point. And I can save very quickly and easily up on the quick access toolbar right here. So I can save the current drawing, or I can do a save as. So if I just save the current drawing and do that, notice the little asterisk disappears because I've saved the changes. I've updated the drawing. So that's basically how I can create, open and publish a file in AutoCAD 2016.